Hi George, welcome back to your English classes. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2021, and I am your favorite teacher Lenin Castro. As you know, yesterday we saw a little bit about the future and how we make predictions that what is going to happen in the future. So, today we're going to make a little remind of what we learned. So in the future there will be, and we say what the thing that will be, what can will be in the future? I don't know. We talked about it yesterday. We talked about the drones. They'll give you a package about the robots, the space travel, the aliens. We saw a few short movies, the Wall-E one, the Back to the Future one, but let's practice what we learned yesterday. So, we say here that holographic TVs and a check mark. This means that is going to happen. So, how do we arrange those words here? Do you have a clue? We start with there. What's next? There will be holographic TVs. Okay, so there will be holographic TVs. This means that in the future there's gonna be holographic TVs. Yes. Now, flying boats. This kind of weird. Flying boats. I don't think so. Yeah, it says an X. So, yeah. So how will you arrange this one? So we start with the there. There what? There won't be flying boats. Okay, very good. Let's see about this one. Oh, this is cool. Lightsabers. So we have that is a check mark. So it's a yes. So there, tan lightsabers. What would you say? There will be lightsabers. Very good. Jetpacks. I don't know about this one. Okay. It's just a no. It's just an X. It's just yeah. So what do we use? There jetpacks in the future. Can you tell me if it's a no? There won't be jetpacks in the future. Okay. What about this one? Life in other planets. It has a no. How would you say that in the future there's no life in other planets? Do you know? There won't be life in other planets. That's right. There won't be life in other planets. In the future, there won't be life in other planets. There won't. Yeah. But let's see. This is an yes. So travels to other planets and yes. So how would you say that in the future travel to other planets will be possible? And I'm just told you the answer. So yeah, in the future there will be travels to other planets. So you can go to Mars, to the moon is not another planet, but you can go to other planets. You can go to the moon. You can also go to Jupiter, Saturn, all of that, Venus, Uranus. You know the planets. So yeah, so in perspective, to make predictions, to summarize, to make predictions, we use the will be and won't be. So there will be plus the thing that we think that is going to happen, that yes. And to say that something is not going to happen, there won't be plus the thing that we don't think is going to happen. So there will be robots, there won't be aliens, there will be drones, there won't be flying cars and all of that. Okay, so that's all for today, George. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow. Don't forget your material for tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye.